Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by picking a base emoji and the modifier or extra emoji you want to join. This determines the final glyph. Once done, use the zero-width joiner, ZWJ, or platform-specific tag sequences to connect characters, because the joiner tells rendering engines to merge. Make sure to work inside an editor or app that preserves control characters. Short tests now save time later. Send a small sample to yourself to confirm the sequence survives copying and pasting. Now you assemble the chain. Place each Unicode code point in the desired order with ZWJ between them, because order affects which parts merge. You may include modifiers like skin tone or gender anywhere the base supports them. Try both placements and observe behavior. Once constructed, normalize the string and validate with an emoji inspector or simple messaging app. If you plan to distribute, package as a sticker or image fallback, since not all platforms render long ZWJ sequences identically. To finish, export the final sequence as a Unicode string when platform support exists. Otherwise, create an image fallback so everyone sees the intended design. Once exported, test on several devices and browsers. You want consistent results. If the joined emoji breaks, first confirm the ZWJ and modifier code points are present. Missing ZWJ is the most common error. If that fails, use the PNG/SVG fallback and document supported platforms to avoid surprises.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.